This is a tornado, and I cannot tell which way it is going, so I don't know how to get away from it. But it looks like it's coming right towards me.
That can easily get tornadoes. He's not in the...
Yeah, I'd say it's gonna come right over me. Let me see if I can back up here a little bit and get under the bridge. Yeah, it's coming right over me. Oh, crap. I have honestly never been in a tornado before. Totally crazy. It's coming right, it is coming right over the top of me. It's a little bit scary. And I don't really know what to do except, I guess, sit here. Maybe duck down. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. Ridiculous. Oh, that is scary. The truck is, oh my gosh. Holy smokes. Oh no. Yeah, that is completely crazy. The truck feels like it's about to lift up off the ground. I'm not lying. Oh my gosh. Woo! Look at that. I don't know. I'm not getting out to look. I'll look and see if there's any truck damage later. It actually bent the mirror backwards. Both mirrors backwards. Oh, there it goes. I can't tell if it's coming back around or not.